Good morning, Disney World. Welcome to day 6 of my Walt Disney World vlog series. It is day 5 in the vlog series, but today is day 6 of my trip. I actually didn't vlog yesterday, because I wanted to try and have fun on my trip and just almost like just chill out. So we have a meal at Chef Mickey's in about an hour, and yeah, so I'll show you that. It's a really good meal, so I would definitely try and book that if you can, because it has characters, good food, good service, everything you need.
Yeah, we got the clean, cold chill of the holiday air, and two assholes in their thigh huggers walking around Disney World.
That's right.
Squirrel, squirrel.
You look great today. Nice dress.
Minnie, you remember
Awesome.
these? How old were you?
I was 12.
He's not 12, honey. Oh, she said you're an old man now.
That's mean. You're funny, Minnie.
Oh, you're the old woman now.
Yeah.
Never.
Never, Minnie. Not you.
Yeah. Thanks, Minnie.
Awesome. Thanks, Minnie. Fruit, some munchkins and biscuits. I think this is oatmeal. I'm not sure though. And some yogurt too. Then you've got banana bread, bacon, sausage, and I think some sort of meat. Then fruit, as I already said, pancakes, and eggs. Sophie, how are you? Good to see ya. Happy New Year. Oh, there you go.
Oh, yeah.
Get that autograph, huh?
Thank
Awesome. Thank you so much. We want to get a picture with him and I? Hey, Mickey, how are you? Good to see you. Nice hat. Wow, that's fantastic. And the ascot too, huh? That's great. Awesome. Well, do you want to get a picture? Awesome.
Please stand clear of the door. Favor, manténganse alejados de las puertas.
Our meal at Chef Mickey's was great. We had great food, great service, and the characters were amazing. I do wish we actually had a bigger table, because the table we had was very small. But now we're here in Magic Kingdom, so let's go, guys. So just so you know, if you ever time for a ride, time to return by, then if I were you, I would definitely go on a ride that has a short wait time before that time for a ride you have time for. That way you can get 2 rides done at a really good time. So, like for example, we have a return time for the mine train, and we're going on the Carousel of Progress right now before that time. So I would do that if I were you.
The Carousel of Progress was Walt's own idea from beginning to end. He loved it. He introduced the show at the World's Fair in New York City in 1964, and it was an immediate smash hit. Millions of people came to see it. And since then, the Carousel of Progress has had more performances than any other stage show in the history of American theater. You know, Walt loved the idea of progress, and he loved the American family.
Phew, boy, hottest 4th of July we've had in years. We've come a long way, though, since the turn of the century, over 20-some-odd years ago. You know that pilot fella, Charles Lindbergh? He's about to fly a single-wing airplane all the way across the Atlantic. He's never going to make it. And sports stadiums are springing up all over. And boy, nobody hits that old horse hide like that new fella Babe Ruth. Jazz music is the cat's meow. And there's been ads in the paper for months for a movie starring Al Jolson. And he's going to talk and sing. Oh, boy, I've got to see that. There goes Schwartz in his Upmobile. He sure loves that horn.
Carousel of Progress. Can't beat it. Cannot. And now we're gonna ride train, mine train, the...
Did I stutter?
I-O. You wouldn't get it. So we stay in our high hose, and now we're gonna stay in the Pirate's Life for me. Let's go. Pretty good arsenal, huh?
I'm excited.
Yeah, right?
Anchor now, you schmummies. What may I offer for these hearty heads? Every one an egglet.
Not lest they be laying golden eggs.
Hey there, you real twat.
Oh, quit your clucking. The gentlemen want the rum. Don't you, boys?
Hey, watch the rock! Hey, watch the rock!
I'm in love with our mummies and dads to come behind you.
I feel like the best thing about the bathrooms in Disney World is the fact that there's always toilet paper in there for you. Never fails, but TMI, sorry. But we're actually going back to the hotel, so I'll see you in a second. And we're back. We're gonna have dinner at what's called Steakhouse 71. That's what it's called. Steakhouse 71. It's a really good dinner and a really good meal, and I'll show you that soon. Do a super stretch. Steven Tower would approve. I could eat this whole building right now if I could. So I'm getting the onion rings for appetizer. I've had them before, they're really good, so I'd try them if I were you. Then I'm probably gonna get the 8-ounce beef tenderloin medallions. Those sound really good. My dad's favorite show, Around the Horn, for sports talk. Love to see it. I don't know what that is, but it looks good. These are the medallions. 8-ounce. Just so you know, this steak is spicy. If you decide to buy it or order it, really spicy. So this is good too. So I wasn't too pleased with the meal. It was good dining atmosphere, but not one of the best food. I mean, it's good, but it's not great. It's almost like, you know, it is what it is. So if you want to go there, you can, but I wouldn't really say to go there, but up to you. But yeah, so we're gonna head out now. We're gonna head back to the hotel. So I'm gonna call it a night on this vlog and this series too. So be sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you want to. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.